Ito ang Leres Chika. Humantong na ba kayo sa boring stage? Yan ang naging tanong kay Donnie. Sabi niya, boring stage? Hindi pa naman. Pero kung darating kami doon ni Belle, don't worry, even if there's no spark between us, I'd still stay. Why? It's because love isn't always about the kilig and a spark, but love is all about staying with the person through their ups and downs. Bakit? Nagmahal ka ba para kiligin lang? Being in love and being in relationship isn't about the feelings. It's a responsibility to love your partner every day kahit nagkakalabuan na kayo.